Hi class and welcome to Module 2. It has been great getting to know each of you over the past week. I am currently out of town on vacation and have had poor internet connection at times. This has caused a few assignments grades to be submitted before I finished inputting the final grade. I believe all errors have been corrected. However, I encourage you to review your Module 1 grades to ensure I did not miss anything. This week we will be focusing on observations and assessments. If you have not secured a location for your field experience hours, please let me know immediately. You must complete 30 hours of field experience by the end of Module 5, which is Sunday, August 5th, or you will not pass the class. This week we will have our first live session on Wednesday, July 11th at 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Please use the link in the announcements below to access the live session through WebEx. Your attendance and participation are greatly appreciated so that we can have a lively discussion. If you actively participate in the live session, nothing else is required. If you are unable to participate in the live session, you are expected to submit a written response after watching the recording. Your response should answer all the questions that I asked the rest of the class during the video. You can submit this assignment by clicking on the live classroom session assignment title under Module 5 Assignments. This will bring you to an open-ended question quiz where you can share your response. Also, please be sure to create a WebEx account prior to the first live session so that you can access the session on time. Please see the assignments list below in the announcement, as well as the course calendar for due dates. Don't forget to post the weekly discussion and respond to at least one peer, as well as any follow-up questions that I ask for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great week.